In this video, I will show you how you can turn on and turn off mobile data on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just open the quick settings on your Samsung phone. Now over here, you will find a switch called mobile data. Now to turn off mobile data, just turn off this option. Now after you do that, you will turn off mobile data on your Samsung phone. And similarly, if you want to turn on mobile data, just enable this option. And after you do that, the mobile data will be turned on. Now you can also do the same thing from settings. Just go to the home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just tap on connections. Under the connection settings, just tap on SIM manager. Now over here, just scroll down and tap on mobile data. Now from here, you can either select off and you can turn off mobile data, or you can enable mobile data and you can select a specific SIM card which you want to use for mobile data. For example, I'll use SIM2. And as you can see, mobile data has been turned on our Samsung phone and we are using SIM2 for that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.